Guys, we've just arrived at little Easton Manor. We've already spotted some really nice cars. This is the classics and interesting cars. Let's go and have a look. How nice is this 488 Spider? This goes up to 202 miles per hour. Guys, I love a black Ferrari and this is an F8 Beauty. Guys, look at the engine.
I'll check your YouTube channel. What do you think?
Good. Guys, I've just spotted this Buick Riviera and this lovely Cobra, a E-Type in this lovely blue. And then if you come with me, right here is a E190 SL and then we've got another Cobra. Guys, come with me. Look how nice this cream interior is. How nice is this GTS, guys? This is nice, it's Escort RS Cosworth, and I love the whale tails on them. Guys, look at the engine bay on this Escort. Here's another Cosworth, and this is a Sierra. These cars are really rare. This is a Alfa Romeo GTA, and this has got a 3.2 litre V6. These sound lovely. Look at the engine. Guys, does anyone like JDM? Because we've got 200 SX, and if you come round here, we've got a S14. I love the artwork on this. Guys, this is the nicest sounding cars in my opinion, an Audi R8 V10. Guys, how nice is this 993 Carrera? They're both really immaculate, and then next to it we've got a GT4 Spider. Two bright colours on Porsches. Would you have this 911 GTS in orange, or would you have this 718 Boxster? I love McLaren. This is a Centauris in this lovely purple. Guys, look at this 370Z and I love the colour. Guys, this has to be on air rides. Look at this MC20 and look at the black over the black. Look at this collection of Mustangs. We've got old, new.
Yeah, no, I get you totally.
So we've got this old one, and then we've got this newer generation. And then we've got this other one. We've got a Mach 1 generation. Then we have another Mach 1 generation, and then we have this Mustang with all the purple, and I really like the look of the purple. Look at this American muscle car, and this is a Camaro SS. Look at this NSX. How clean is this M3? V8 Vantage in grey. Look how high this Volkswagen Badger bug is. I love M cars, and look at this beautiful M3. Look at this Brook Double R Cosworth. This is a race car, guys. Guys, you can't beat a classic Porsche. Look at this wide-body Carrera. Guys, we've had a great day. We've seen some really nice cars. Sadly, we can't video all of them. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.